Yes, when it comes to soluble materials, like Soluble, like copper sulfate, like zinc sulfate, like any of the trace elements pretty much, the best thing to do is to make them not soluble anymore, which is done by mixing them with a carbon source. So there are different ways you can do this. You can buy things that are pelletized, and they already are buffered with the clay. So you buy little pellets as opposed to a soluble grade. You can take your soluble grade source of boron or copper sulfate, and you can put it in water with liquid humates or biochar, or you can water it into a big wheelbarrow of compost. You can take your trace elements and you can put them into your compost pile, where they get digested in the composting process and are no longer soluble when you spread the compost. If you are going to be solubilizing them in water, you can you can mix them with molasses and put them in a backpack sprayer and spray them out that way. When they get mixed with a carbon source like humates or molasses or sugar, even you can usually use table sugar. You just solubilize the sugar, solubilize the boron, and you can spray it out with a backpack sprayer over the land. These are all different techniques. For myself, I usually use a bulking agent like humates or compost. If I was to use compost, I don't usually use compost. If I know my soil test says I need some gypsum, I'll take my trace elements, all of them, and mix them up with my gypsum and spread them out that way. And which is not really buffering them with any carbon source. But I figure because I'm not doing much tillage, and I've got a lot of root systems and things like that, and a decent organic matter level, as they solubilize and begin to leach down, they're going to be grabbed onto by the soil itself.